Hello everyone, this is Alec in Brussels, and behind me is my faithful plasma TV for the past 12 years, a Pioneer PDP LX 5080, 50 inches, and it has served me very well. I've loved my plasma, but for the past few years, I've been thinking of getting a 4K, and finally I chose one. It wasn't an easy choice because, of course, do you go for OLED or do you go for QLED? In fact, in this particular case, I had ordered the 2019 LG OLED 77 inch, and soon afterwards I rethought about it, and I saw that in fact Samsung had brought out their 85 inch QLED, and therefore I thought, maybe I should go for QLED, and I didn't think that I would be disappointed. So this is just a quick video to show the unboxing as it happened, and my first initial observations. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is the first step. And this is quite heavy. I probably don't what I need to put on, which is the leg. Then there is also, wow, one connect box. This is heavy. So that's something less to put on the wall. One connect, so just one item to connect all wood. Visual. Then there we go. Let's check it out to make sure that the screen isn't damaged. And so far, so good. And it seems that around here there is something to protect it. Wow, this is part of it that caused it to be heavy. This is part of a stand, if you're going to put it on a stand. So, wow, this is at least 10 kilos. What does it say? Do not remove until TV is assembled. Okay, because this is to help you protect the ends. Okay, someone thinks that this is definitely for her. And looking, yeah? You think it's yours, right? Having gotten some help with mounting the TV, I think 3 of us were able to get it up, and it's been up there for a few hours, so hopefully it will stay up there. And it's amazing, this One Connect cable, because that also has the electricity. So when I will have fixed it properly, then yeah, there will only be an invisible cable, as they say, going up to the television. And as I say, it connects here to the One Connect box. And before I finish off, I just wanted to finish this video to show that yes, it does work. And okay, so must say that I'm quite impressed with the resolution, and in fact viewing it from different angles, because there's no drop off in quality or in the contrast. And naturally, yes, from what we could see, it is pretty good. It's a good choice, and I haven't got anything to compare it with the other models, but definitely the 95 is a model I would recommend from what I could see. So, in fact, one of the nice things I like about it as well is that the built-in sound is quite good. So, in fact, I don't think I really need to turn on my surround sound system for just normal TV viewing. But I'm sure that with at least 7.1 system, it will be quite good when I get some time to watch some action movies. Of course, this video doesn't do it justice, because we're not seeing the same as I'm seeing through my eyes. So my initial conclusion is that yes, it is quite massive to get through the doors, and you need assistance in putting it up on the wall. But at the end of the day, it is extremely good quality, and in fact, it's been now on the wall for the past 5 days. It hasn't fallen off, and hopefully it won't. Hopefully I did do a good job in putting up the support bar, and I'm sure that I'll be enjoying it for many years to come. Maybe it will last as long as my plasma, but we will see how things evolve. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give it a thumbs down, make suggestions. Thank you. All the best.